for our game 2 to start. John Jerome versus White. Setting up a play on the left side, tries to penetrate. No, it's Diane. James Lazarus with a quick three. No. On the right side, pull up J. No, gone for today. On the right side, back to the middle shot for three. No. Bobao setting up the game. On the right side, Cabrera attacks. No. Finding the open man. Back to Bobao. To Tuazon. Inside to Orlando. Slicing and dicing. 2-0. On the left side. Shaking. Up and under. No. Tabigan. Kay Bobao. Nagmamadaling si Bobao. Bobao on the move. Waiting for a slice. Orlando is there on the right side. On the Kasuana. Tuazon recovers the ball. Tuazon to Cabrera. Sayang. What a ball movement on the right side. Derecho. On the other side. Takes. No. Tabigan. No, di ba ni Cabrera? Cabrera on the move. Nagpapataas to Bobao. Deny! Rejected! Sabi niya, not in my house. Wow! Inside, 2 points. Bawi. 4-0. Ganda ng pag-block. Sobrang clean. On the left side, one pull-up check. No! Rebound! Wala! Orlando for the fast break opportunity to Bobao. Pass to Jem! Oh! Good next, what a play by Bobao. Using the Pinoy step. Jem Tuazon on the middle. First row. Second throw. Yes, sir. 5-0. On the hook, inside, no. Masikip. Rubika, tali kayo. Sure ball. Ah! Papainit pa. 5-0. Bobao on the move. To Bosby. Perez for 3. Orlando for the rebound. Airs. Oh!
Ayun na naman. Grabe ah. 7-0. Galing! Ah! Oh! Sayang. 3. Last break.
Jump shot.
Ah! 9-0. Siyempre, naka-bagong shoes eh. 2-9. Galing! Change court, change court. Buwan nyo pa rin. Tulin, no? Sana all matulin, no? 3! Traveling pa. Lagot ka dito po. Huli. Huli. Ay!
Grabe, so pates.
Power on. USB mode.
Oh, what a play. 52. Last 3 minutes. Cabrera, 2 points. Cabrera, 2 points. Last 2 minutes. Stolen. Good defense. Foul on the mark. Sideboard. Last 1 minute in the game. Stolen. Long pass, connects for 19. Last 35 seconds remaining in the game. Cabrera, 2 points. Last 5 seconds. 3, 1. out of play. Jim Russell. 21-6.